How's it going, guys? So finally we got the block in the mail today, so we're gonna be doing an unboxing on that. And I also got the scat rods. They came in like last week sometime, and I wasn't gonna upgrade my valves, but since I'm redoing everything on the head, I went ahead and ordered the turbo Ferrea valves 6000 series. And of course, another super tech head gasket. You know, I had good luck with this, and I like them. They make LS gaskets from any size to LS tech gaskets, and they're good quality. So if you're looking for a head gasket for a turbo setup, no problem with Super Tech. I'll show you guys the rods. Alright, these are the scat rods, H-beam. I'm going to show you guys a comparison between the Eagle rods and the scat rods. They're basically the same thing until you turn them around. Then you notice the scat is a little bit fatter. Well, a lot fatter actually. So you can get a set of scats for $329. I think that's even cheaper than Eagle rods, and they're probably a little bit stronger. I like them. That's what I was using on my block when I was making 408. So I'm going back to, you know, scat rods. Even though Eagle rods will handle 700 horsepower, no problem. But I just went ahead and ordered some new ones. And the valves. These are the exhaust side. These are the intakes. Alright, and of course the Super Tech head gasket. We're going to be lining up the head gasket with the block and see if any of the coolant holes are blocked or not. That's what I'm curious about. I want to see if any of the coolant is going to be blocked, because I saw a video of somebody doing an LSB Tech setup and some of the coolant holes were blocked, but I hear, you know, doesn't cause any problems. But I'd rather not have any coolant holes being blocked. Alright, let's see. I gotta say, their packing is amazing. Small little box. This is a cylinder support system. And it's a small little box. Well, hold on guys, I'm gonna put up the camera. Okay, so it's super tight. Cylinder support system. Honda Day April 7 and 8. Here goes a set of pistons. These are the Aries 82 millimeter. The hell? Okay. Here they go. Wristbands. Here was a set of rings. Alright, now let's check out the block. I mean, they pack everything so nice and tight. I might have to break the box. Fuck it. Oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna have to break the box.